Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the history of Data Lakehouse, how come Data Lakehouse was introduced, and what is Databricks, what are its advantages, and what were the drawbacks in the previous platforms that Data Lakehouse was introduced. So let's get started. So first of all, let me give you the brief history behind these different architectures. So when in 1980s, it was around 1980s when there were the enterprises were finding it very difficult to manage the data. That time to keep the version controls in place and to make the BI reporting easier, DataWarehouse was introduced. After introduction of DataWarehouse, reporting was made easy. The data was more reliable because it had proper versions, and so basically enterprises or organizations were very finding it easier after DataWarehouse to give their numbers correctly to business. Then when these big data came, different kind of sources like IoT, images, audio, all these kind of data when came into picture, DataWarehouse was not capable or was not made for these kind of data, for handling these kind of data. These were unstructured data, and DataWarehouse was only able to handle structured data. So enterprises now had to find a way to save these unstructured data into some place so that they could make use of them for again for reporting or analytics or machine learning. So then Data Lake was introduced. Data Lake was a platform where you can directly dump any kind of data, any kind of format, any kind of unstructured data could be put into Data Lake. But the problem with Data Lake was that data storage was easier, but using the data or transforming that data was very difficult. You can take an example. You have raw vegetables, you have stored in the fridge, and then you have to so it's a bit difficult for anyone to take out that vegetables, wash it, cut it, and make the your curry or your sabzi. That was difficult in Data Lake. So extracting the data, transforming the data, and make that data into some kind of usable format was a challenge. Then to overcome this challenge, Data Lakehouse platform was introduced. And now let's understand what is this Lakehouse basically. So Lakehouse is nothing but combination of your data warehouse and data lake. So at a single platform, you have the ability to do both storage as well, and extraction, transformation, and machine learning and reporting. So at a single platform, you have the capabilities to achieve the best of both the worlds. Databricks is built on Apache Spark. So founder of Sparks are the founder of Databricks as well. So you have Spark inbuilt in your Databricks. You have ML Flow for machine learning as well. You have Delta Lake, and you have Unity Catalog as well for governance, data governance and all. And again, you also have the capabilities in Databricks to connect to any cloud, AWS, GCP, your Azure. You can connect to any of these cloud through Databricks. Now let's see how Databricks looks like. So let's log into Databricks account. This is the page where you can create your Databricks account for free. put all your details here, first name, last name, everything. Then click on continue. You will be seeing this page where you can use any of the cloud or get started with community edition. So community edition is free, so we'll start with that. You'll receive an email in your email account. Go through all this process. It's very easy, and then create. Once you done with this process, you will be coming to this page. This is the Databricks page where you'll see everything at one place. Here you have workspace, all your catalog information, your workflow, your compute. So all this you can do. So this, when you click on new, it will create a new page. If you go to workspace, you can create folder, notebook, ML flow experiment, everything is there in this page. So you can create catalog here. You'll see all the tables that you create. Once you there's nothing here, so you are not seeing anything. Once you start building projects, it will be visible. This is workflow. It's not included in the free subscription. If you upgrade your Databricks account, you will be finding this workflow as well. Basically, this is to automate your jobs. This is compute. Compute is basically to create resources for running your jobs or running your Spark application. It's very simple. You just have to click on create. In the free trial, your Spark 3 is available. Just select one. You have free 15 GB memory in your community edition. So basically, you can work until your 15 GB is completed. Just create. It takes some 2-3 minutes to start this instance. Once it is started, like if it's there, a green button is there, that means it's started. Then you can click on your new notebook. Once that is started, you can attach that compute here. Just I'm giving a name to this notebook. You have this connect button. You can attach your cluster here. Once that is started, it's not started, it's still in gray mode. If it's started, it will be in green mode. You can select any other languages as well, like Python, SQL, Scala, R. So by default, my notebook is set to Python, but default also you can change in the settings. This you can write the code. So this is just the simple version that I am showing to you. Here you can import or export your notebook as well. Import tables, everything from external CSV files and all. This is export. Export this particular notebook in different formats. This is for exporting. You have import. You can import a file, or you can import your data from any other URL in these formats that are allowed. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you have liked this video, then do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for such kind of videos. Thank you.